Hello, my name is Chinta, and today we are going to make snow Play-Doh. We are gonna need 1 cup of corn flour and 1/4 cup of 3/4 cup of body lotion and essential oil. You can buy this online. The description is here. And just pour in all the body lotion into the flour. Yeah.
Mommy, fork.
You use 3 drops of essential oil. 1, 2, 3, stop. And now to mix.
Wow.
Hello.
It's a cookie.
That is my brother. His name is Canon. He's 2 years old. Born in March 2013.
Kakak is making snow Play-Doh.
Canon, help Kakak mix.
Grab some.
No, Canon, keep mixing. Mix. This is not for eating.
Still preschool, he doesn't know how to make Play-Doh.
It's a Play-Doh.
Mix. Keep mixing. I better warn you, this is sticky. You can weld it and it's squishy. Squish it and mold it. And you can play with it to make this stick.
Wow. At that.
This is awesome. Happy playing and bye-bye.